Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Cruze engine. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable with a 10mm socket to prevent electrical issues. Next, drain all fluids, including the engine oil and coolant, into proper containers. Finally, remove the hood and the air intake system to gain clear access to the engine bay. Now, it's time to disconnect the various components attached to the engine. Systematically unplug all electrical connectors and carefully secure the wiring harness out of the way. Proceed to disconnect the fuel lines, heater core hoses, and any other coolant lines. Then, remove the serpentine belt, followed by the alternator and the starter motor, which often connects the engine to the transmission. With the smaller components out, prepare the engine for removal. Remove both the intake and exhaust manifolds to ensure maximum clearance during the lift. Next, disconnect the drive axles from the transmission. This step is crucial for separating the engine and transmission. Finally, locate and remove all engine mounts and the bell housing bolts that secure the engine to the transmission. You are now ready to lift the engine. Securely attach an engine hoist to the designated lifting points on the engine. Double-check all connections to ensure stability. Slowly and carefully lift the engine, constantly monitoring for any obstructions or snagging components. Once clear, gently guide the engine out of the engine bay. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.